TrendSwell AI is the latest AI software to hit the market, and in this review, I'm going to break down the 7 crucial things you need to know about it. If you're searching for information on TrendSwell AI, stick around, because I'm going to cover exactly what makes it unique and why it could be a game changer for your business. First things first, TrendSwell AI is all about streamlining your marketing processes. Whether you're looking to automate your campaigns, analyze trends, or optimize your ad strategies, TrendSwell AI has a tool for every part of your marketing funnel. It uses advanced machine learning models to help you make data-driven decisions faster and more efficiently than ever before. One of the standout features of TrendSwell AI is its ability to track and predict market trends. If you're familiar with trend analysis, you know how difficult it can be to keep up with changing consumer behaviors. This AI software continuously scrapes data, providing you with real-time insights and trend predictions that can help you stay ahead of the curve. This means you can adjust your campaigns or business strategies before your competitors even realize what's happening. Another crucial feature that sets TrendSwell AI apart is its content generation capabilities. It can help you create content that resonates with your audience based on current market trends. This is especially useful if you're struggling to come up with fresh ideas or need to produce content quickly. With TrendSwell AI, you'll be able to generate content that's not only engaging, but also optimized for search engines. The software also integrates seamlessly with platforms like Google Ads, Facebook Ads, and email marketing tools, making it easy to automate tasks that would otherwise take up hours of your time. TrendSwell AI simplifies the process of targeting the right audience with the right message at the right time. Its automated features ensure that your campaigns run efficiently, so you can focus more on strategy and less on manual tasks. One thing to keep in mind is the learning curve. While TrendSwell AI is designed to be user-friendly, the wide range of features can take some time to fully understand. But don't worry, the platform offers robust customer support and a detailed knowledge base to guide you through the process. It's also worth noting that TrendSwell AI offers comprehensive analytics. You can track the performance of your campaigns in real time, allowing you to make quick adjustments and ensure you're always getting the best return on investment. If you're someone who values data-driven insights, you'll appreciate the depth of analytics that TrendSwell provides. Now, if you're wondering about the price, you're in luck. You can try TrendSwell AI for completely free by following the link in the description below. It's a great way to test the software and see if it's right for your needs without committing to a paid plan. In conclusion, TrendSwell AI is packed with powerful features that can take your digital marketing game to the next level. From trend analysis to content generation, automated campaigns, and real-time analytics, this software has everything you need to stay competitive in today's fast-paced digital landscape. If you're looking for other recommended AI tools that I've tested and use in my own business, you'll find those in the description as well. After trying thousands of AI software, I found the ones that truly make a difference. Don't forget to check out the first link for your free trial of TrendSwell AI